The journey of the world's favorite snack begins here, in the vast, nutrient-rich soil of the potato belt. Specialized harvesters gently lift the tubers from the earth, shaking off the soil without bruising the delicate skin. These aren't just any potatoes. They are specific chipping varieties, bred for low sugar and high starch content.
Low sugar is key. High sugar potatoes would turn burnt and brown the moment they hit the hot oil.
Within hours of harvest, the trucks arrive at the processing plant to ensure maximum freshness. Tons of raw potatoes are offloaded into the receiving hoppers, beginning their transformation. The first stage is rough cleaning. Conveyors with rubber fingers knock off loose dirt and rocks. A destoner uses water currents to float the potatoes, while heavier stones sink to the bottom.
Next, they enter the rotary drum washer, where high-pressure jets scrub them completely clean.
Abrasive rollers gently sand away the thin skin, revealing the creamy white interior.
Emerging from the washer, the potatoes are now pristine and ready for inspection.
The approved potatoes ascend to the slicing deck, the most critical part of the process. Gravity feeds them into the centrifugal slicer. Inside, the potato is pushed against a stationary ring of razor-sharp blades spinning at 1,000 RPM. In a split second, a whole potato becomes perfectly uniform slices, exactly 0.05 inches thick.
The raw slices fall immediately into a washing flume.
This cold water bath washes away surface starch. If skipped, the chips would stick together and burn.
Gentle paddles ensure every slice is thoroughly rinsed before frying.
A vibrating shaker table separates the water from the potato slices. Air knives blast the slices with high-velocity air to remove excess moisture.
Entering the fryer wet would lower the oil temperature, so drying is essential. The slices enter the continuous fryer, a massive tank of vegetable oil kept at a steady 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The moment they hit the oil, the water inside instantly turns to steam, creating a vigorous boil.
As the water evaporates, it is replaced by oil, transforming the texture from soft to crispy.
Rotating paddles gently guide the chips through the fryer, ensuring every slice cooks evenly. After exactly 3 minutes, the golden chips emerge from the oil.
They travel up a mesh belt, allowing excess oil to drain away back into the tank. The perfect chip has a blistered surface and a light golden hue. Before seasoning, the chips must be cooled down to prevent them from becoming soggy. Now, high-tech optical sorters take over. Cameras scan thousands of chips per second. A precise blast of air rejects the bad chips, firing them into a waste bin. Only the perfect chips are allowed to proceed to the seasoning line.
Quality control technicians pull samples regularly for laboratory testing. They check the moisture content. Ideally, it should be around 1.5%.
The chips move to the seasoning station, a rotating drum designed for gentle tumbling.
Hoppers filled with proprietary spice blends prepare to coat the chips. A fine mist of seasoning powder, whether it's BBQ, sour cream, or cheese, showers the chips.
The tumbling action ensures that every curve and crevice get a delicious coating of flavor.
The chips exit the drum, fully dressed and ready for packaging.
Vibrating conveyors gently move the fragile snacks to the packaging hole.
The packaging hall is a forest of stainless steel towers.
At the top of the towers, multi-head weighers calculate the perfect combination of chips. They drop the exact weight into the chute, accurate to within a single gram.
Continuous rolls of foil-lined film are pulled through, forming the bag.
The film is shaped into a tube, creating the body of the chip bag. A vertical sealer welds the back seam shut. Before sealing, the bag is flushed with nitrogen gas. This pushes out oxygen to keep the chips fresh. Heated jaws clamp down, sealing the bag and cutting it loose in one motion. The air-filled bags drop onto the conveyor, the nitrogen acting as a cushion against breakage.
Automated check weighers verify every bag. Any package that is too light is instantly rejected.
Metal detectors provide a final safety check before boxing.
At the end of the line, the bags are packed into cardboard shipping cases. The boxes are taped shut and labeled for tracking. Robotic arms stack the cases onto pallets, ready for distribution. Stretch wrap secures the load for its journey on the road.
From the farm to the sealed bag, the entire process takes less than 24 hours.
Warehouses store the chips briefly before they are dispatched to stores nationwide. Trucks carry the finished product to satisfy cravings everywhere. The final step of the journey happens in homes around the world.
That satisfying sound of the bag opening signals a treat is waiting.
Converting humble potatoes into the ultimate snack. Nature's ingredients, perfected by engineering.
Thanks for joining us on this factory tour.
See you in the next video.